Hey guys, I hope that you're fine. It's been a while since I posted. I have been on transit. So now this is our village garden. So we have three sections of the garden, and I'll show you the first two. So this side we have pumpkins, and they are being intercropped with a lot of crops. The main thing that is here is coffee. You can see the coffee plantations. They are small, they have just been grown recently. So we grow coffee at home. So these are coffee trees that are still small. And then when you have coffee, you go to have trees and you have to have shade. So that's why this farm also has bananas, and it has a bit of some trees being grown. And this is deliberate, these are not wild trees, these ones are grown. So this farm, they have sectioned it into two sections. On either side is coffee, bananas, and pumpkins, and then we have some things like chili just growing wildly on the side. And then on the other section again we have the same, but at the end of it they have added some more plants. So guys, these pumpkins have overgrown, you cannot harvest leaves. These ones are now, we are waiting to harvest the pumpkins. And we are surprised by the amount of pumpkins that come out. Sometimes we get to harvest so many that we don't know what to use them for. Yeah. And then we have the bananas just chilling and growing nicely here. And you can see our little pumpkins, they are growing nicely also. Yes, and I hope that you are enjoying this video so far. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe. We will be back to our normal DIY videos very soon once I get to my place. So we have the other section is open. So whatever we harvest from here, we use the leftovers for the cows to eat. And so guys, I thought let's pick some chili because we were here. Yeah.
Going through hell, a fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help.
These ones are gooseberries, and they also grow widely. So once you have one plant, I think the birds help you to grow the rest. So we have these gooseberries in almost every corner of our home.
Okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
So this section has pineapples. I was surprised to find them growing here because I thought that pineapples only grow in certain regions in Kenya, but apparently they also grow in Western. And these ones are not for sale, these ones are just for home use. And also this section has maize. It has some bit of maize growing here. They also just planted the maize for home use, and they are ready guys. So the whole time I was home, almost all my breakfasts were maize with tea. And then also we have these amaranth, no, this is saga seeds. This is an overgrown saga, so they leave it to grow. And then once it becomes it starts drying out, then they harvest it, and then they get the seeds for the next crop of saga to be grown. And then we have this other section. This one is very next to the house, so it's not till the grass is eaten by the cows. They don't fieka. So this place has a mango tree. It has guavas. It has these ndumas because there is a tap just right there. So this type of ndoma, they require water. It has some medicinal plant, I don't know, but I'm told it's used to treat stomach ailments. And then it also has mulberries, a lot of them. And it has also these are called white sapota. think in English, the right English is white support. So this section, this section 2, it has fruit trees. So technically, in our home, we have trees, yes, but in the compound, almost every tree that is there is a fruit tree. And those ones are, I think they are called coyote or chayote. I don't know. You can tell me the right pronunciation. I had them being called susu somewhere. And then also we have this aloe vera growing wildly. They use it to treat things like cuts and burns, and it has literally grown into a small kind of bush. And yeah, maybe we should regrow it. And then we also have this papaya tree. We have like three of them. The others are kind of small, they have not yet fruited. And then this one is I have forgotten the name of this one. You can tell me. Yeah, and this is our white supporter, and yeah, this is it. And then we have guavas also. They are not yet ready. The ones that were ready, we already ate them. And I'm also growing a few plants of apples. So there are two apple trees here. Again, guys, you can tell me what's wrong with them because they have not fruited yet and it's been a couple of years. What are we doing wrong? But there are two of them in this section of the farm, or rather the garden. And we also have ndimu, lemon. We have a lemon tree growing, and this is a mulberry tree. Yes, so these ones, because of the electricity poles, they are not allowed to grow very tall. And our lemons also, they take time to grow. So guys, I also wanted now to harvest the dumas. So I did a lot of harvesting. So what we do is that we harvest and then we immediately replant them so that we have more for next time.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an
So guys, now this is the third section. It also has two apple trees, and then they have planted kunde, and then these are potatoes, sweet potatoes being grown. Of course, we do have bananas. So here, the variety of bananas is more. So we have the bananas to eat, and then we have the bananas to ripen. And then this variety of duma is does not require a lot of water, so it can grow on the farm. And duma is arrowroots, in case you did not know. And so we also have a lot of peas growing here. And this other section, the two small trees, is cassava. So these cassavas will be ready in about 6 or so months. So guys, yeah, in 6 or so months our cassavas will be ready. And this other section has bananas, and this one was ready and was ripening on the pole, so we decided to harvest it also.
as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So we harvested these chilies. These got to be the hottest chilies that I know of. They are the small variety and they are really tasty. And then we also harvested these ndumas. You saw me harvesting them, and this is what we got. Our neighbor took like 2 pieces. I also got the potatoes. There was a section that had ripe plants, and then the cassavas. And now also we got the bananas. This is the banana also that we just harvested. This one is for ripening. And then also apart from this, we also had the other variety of bananas that is for cooking. Yeah, these ones are for cooking. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'm so glad that you are here to the end. Please consider to subscribe if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos.
You